Welcome to Moji Style.
Hi everyone, and welcome back. I hope you guys are doing great. I'm really excited to get started with our Christmas DIYs for 2018. So here's my inspiration. This is from Pair One and it is going for $49.99. So let's go ahead and get started. So you would need this wall shelf here. This is from the Dollar Tree, and all items that I used are from the Dollar Tree, and I will leave a list of all the items that I used in the description box. You would need this card. I don't think I've seen it before at the Dollar Tree, but it's really, really pretty. You will also need a napkin ring, a glittered ribbon, and a chopping mat. So I went ahead and I cut out what I needed for my lantern. So here's our card here. It's really, really simple to separate that overlay for what we need it for. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I did that. So we're only taking the front part of the card out, and there is a tab between that overlay and the actual card. All you have to do is just carefully pull that and it comes right off. So here's my wall shelf. I've already spray painted it silver, but you can spray paint it whatever color you choose. And here's the overlay. And here is the screen that will be going right on top of my overlay. So next I'm just going to go ahead and use my scissors and trim that overlay to fit the top part of my lantern. So at this point I realized that I actually didn't take out the tabs that were behind the overlay, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So to attach this, I'll be using just a little bit of hot glue on the four corners of my overlay. So next I'll be working on the feet of my lantern. I am using this, and this is from a Christmas pick that I got from the Dollar Tree, and it worked perfectly as the feet. So to attach this, I'll be applying just a little bit of hot glue. So next we'll be placing that screen right over the overlay. So to attach this, I am going to be using hot glue on the four corners of that overlay. And you want to just carefully position it onto the hot glue. And I also applied a little bit of hot glue to the sides. Next, we'll be placing our ribbon to the front part of this lantern. So for the second ribbon, it has to overlap the first one, and then you would have to cut it at an angle. So you're just going to go ahead and repeat that. So again, the next ribbon would have to overlap the second one and then cut it at an angle. Again, next ribbon, overlap, cut it at an angle. So to attach this, I'll be using just a little bit of hot glue. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply a little bit of hot glue to the back of the ribbon, and I'm just going to position it right on the top part of that lantern. So you're just going to basically repeat the same steps, apply a little bit of hot glue to the back of the ribbon, and place it right at the edge of that lantern. And then I just kind of trimmed it a little bit to make sure that it looks really good. So next I'll be working on the handle, and that is the napkin ring. I went ahead and I used a little bit of hot glue to get the ribbon onto the napkin ring. And I did 2 rows of the ribbon onto the napkin ring. So to position this in place, I'll be using a little bit of hot glue. And that's it, guys. Here is the LED candle that I'm using from the Dollar Tree. And here is the final result of our beautiful Christmas holiday lantern. I think it turned out so beautiful. It is gorgeous. It does not even look like a DIY, and I'm so happy with the way this turned out. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. Would you make your silver or would you make it gold? Let's get the conversation going down in the comment section. And I have a lot of Christmas DIYs coming up for you guys, so make sure that you turn on your notification bell so you can be notified when I do upload those videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. If you did, please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new to our channel, I'd love for you to join the Moji Style family by hitting that subscribe button. And until next time, you guys have a blessed week. I love you all. Take care. Bye-bye.